हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम मेटेलिक एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक कंडक्शन के बीच में क्या डिफरेंस होता है ये बहुत ही आसान तरीके से सीखेंगे। What are the charges carries in metallic conduction and electrolytic conduction? In metallic conduction there are free electrons, and in electrolytic conduction there are ions, that is cations and anions. Is there any chemical changes in metallic and electrolytic conduction? In metallic conduction, there is no chemical change, and in electrolytic conduction, there is a chemical change, which is electrolysis. There happened reduction and oxidation. Reduction happened on anode electrode and oxidation happened on cathode electrode. What is the medium for current flow? In metallic conduction, current flow through the metals, and in electrolytic conduction, current flow through liquid or molten salts, that is electrolytes. How does resistance changes with temperature? In metallic conduction, resistance increases with temperature, and in electrolytic conduction, conductivity increases with temperature. Examples of metallic and electrolytic conduction. Metallic conduction, there are examples, that is copper wire, silver and aluminium. And in electrolytic conduction, there is NaCl solution, CuSO4 solution and molten salts. Which is faster, metallic or electrolytic conduction? Metallic conduction is faster due to presence of electrons, and electrolytic conduction is slow due to ions are heavier than the electrons.